Are you looking for the best treadmills? In this video we will look at some of the best treadmills on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Sunny Health Fitness Electric Treadmill. The Sunny Health Fitness Electric Treadmill is a robust and high-quality exercise machine designed for effective indoor running or walking. Constructed with solid steel and equipped with an extra shock absorption system, it ensures a steady and impactful cardio workout while providing excellent value. The treadmill features an LCD monitor and pulse grip, allowing users to monitor heart and pulse rate, track distance and time, and choose from 9 workout programs to stay challenged and meet fitness goals. With adjustable incline settings and built-in treadmill cushioning, this treadmill allows users to customize their workout experience and reduce impact on their legs and joints compared to running on hard asphalt. The compact and portable design, with a tread belt measuring 49 liters by 16 watts inches, makes it easy to fit into your home gym space. Additionally, the treadmill can be conveniently folded up to 32.5 liters by 27 watts x 58 inches in just 5 seconds, and 2 transportation wheels facilitate hassle-free movement without causing damage to floor. Number 2. Horizon Fitness T101 Foldable Treadmill. The Horizon Fitness T101 Foldable Treadmill is a top-selling and highly reliable exercise machine designed for home use. It boasts simple and intuitive controls, making it easy for users to get started on their fitness journey or train for upcoming events. The treadmill is known for its durable components, ensuring long-lasting performance. One notable feature is its compact and foldable design, allowing users to effortlessly store it between workouts with a one-step hydraulic folding system. With assembled dimensions of 70 by 34 by 55. It's a space-efficient fitness solution for home environments. The inclusion of Bluetooth connectivity enhances the treadmill's versatility, allowing users to sync their devices to integrated speakers for streaming media with crisp stereo sound. The built-in device holder keeps screens in view, providing entertainment or easy access to fitness classes. Additionally, a rapid charge USB port ensures that users stay powered during their workouts. Number 3. XTERRA Fitness TR Folding Treadmill. The XTERRA Fitness TR Folding Treadmill seems to be a great choice for those looking for a versatile and convenient exercise option. The large 16 by 50 walking, running surface caters to users of various sizes and stride lengths, ensuring a comfortable workout experience. Powered by a 110 volts cord outlet, this treadmill features an LCD silver display that, while not backlit, provides an intuitive 5-screen to keep you informed about essential metrics such as speed, incline, time, distance, calories, and pulse. With 12 preset programs and 3 manual incline settings, the XTERRA treadmill offers a diverse range of workout options to keep your fitness routine engaging and effective. The easy pull knob makes it a breeze to release the deck, allowing for convenient folding and storage when the treadmill is not in use. Overall, it appears to be a user-friendly and space-saving fitness solution with a good balance of features to enhance your exercise routine. Number 4. NordicTrack T Series. The NordicTrack T Series treadmill offers a comprehensive fitness experience with a range of features designed to enhance your workouts. With a 30-day iFit membership included, you can access live and on-demand workouts on your equipment, complete with global workouts and studio classes. The Elite Trainers feature adjusts your equipment for you, adding a $15 value to your experience. Equipped with a powerful smart response motor boasting 3 horsepower, this treadmill provides effective speed, interval, and endurance training. The 10% one-touch incline control and 10 miles per hour smart one-touch speed control, coupled with iFit's smart Bluetooth connection, enable your trainer to auto-adjust your speed and incline for a personalized workout. Number 5. Sunny Health Fitness ASUNA. Sunny Health Fitness ASUNA offers a convenient and user-friendly experience for home workouts. The treadmill features an easy-to-use display with a 4-window layout, allowing users to monitor their time, distance, speed, and calories burned simultaneously. The integrated pedometer adds a step tracking feature to enhance exercise sessions. Portability is a key highlight, as the running treadmill can be effortlessly folded flat using the included folding key. Its low-profile design facilitates easy storage under surfaces, making it a versatile and space-saving fitness solution. The folding tool, which securely locks the frame in place, adds to the user-friendly design. For an immersive workout experience, the treadmill allows users to play their favorite tunes by connecting their music devices to the onboard 3.5mm headphone port, utilizing the integrated speakers. Additionally, a convenient tablet holder is provided for mounting devices during workout.